Welcome to Garden Cam Man. Now, as you can see here, this is a Feijoa, and it's a nice fruit. It's very sweet, mixed between like a banana and a pear, I would say, the flavour. But as you can see here, the tree grows quite rapidly. This one I pruned around about 2 years ago, right down to where you'll see I pruned it to in this video. It's grown all the way back and fruit everywhere. So the reason I'm pruning this back is the lady has problems with rats eating them, and because they don't pick them all, the rats come in to get them off the ground, because once they're ripe they seem to just drop on the ground, and that means they're ready to be picked up. So as you'll see in this video, I pick them all up, and there's quite a lot. But yeah, it's a pretty simple sort of task. Just prune it down. You can't really go wrong with these ones. They're pretty tough. Just prune them down to whatever height you like, pretty much. There's no real... of course, if you go right down to where I do in this video, you can't expect fruit the next year. But definitely the year after that, you will get it. You're going to bark all the time, I think. Where are you? Ah, you're in there. You little buggers. So yeah, that's what this video is about, the Feijoa, and then after that I do some weeding, and then there's a little bit of a incident at the end where a car tried to I don't know, overtake me doing major speed. But anyway, thanks for visiting. Hope you liked the video. for now, and then we'll do that one next time. Alright, so I've got all the Feijoa branches. Some Feijoas still on there, and all the Feijoas in the bucket. Now I've got to go and mow, clean up all the grass and leaves. Overtaken around the corner there. It's a blind corner, as you can see. Pretty deadly. If anyone was coming on, like oncoming traffic, you're basically going to hit them. But I'll see if I can see the car that overtook me. So I've just come around that corner. They must be 3 kilometres ahead by now. Yeah, there they are, right down there. About 3 k's ahead already. So I don't know how fast they were going, but it was bloody too fast. Anyway, I think it was a GT. As far as now they're about 4 k's ahead. So if I'm doing 80 and they're going up, they must be in the 100. They must be 150 or 160, I reckon. Anyway, good luck to them. I'm pretty sure karma's going to get him eventually. Or the police, one of the two. Well, I still haven't made it home. It's been a long drive. In the rain and in the dark. But anyway, I've got about 10 minutes left. Oh, Jesus, I'm looking forward to getting back.